Got great ideas but no time to write? With EbookWriter AI, you can turn any idea into a full publish-ready ebook without typing a single line yourself. Here's how it works. You start by entering your main topic or concept, maybe it's self-growth, online business, or fitness. EbookWriter AI instantly transforms your idea into a complete ebook with chapters, headings, and well-written content that flows naturally. No staring at blank pages, no hiring expensive writers, and no weeks of editing. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. It even formats your ebook professionally, adds spacing and structure, and helps you design a clean cover, all inside one simple dashboard. In just minutes, your idea becomes a ready-to-publish ebook you can download to Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website. So instead of letting your ideas sit in your notes, bring them to life today with EbookWriter AI and start building your digital income. Click the link in the description and turn your ideas into real ebooks fast with EbookWriter AI.